Hey there, goal getters. If you're looking to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set goals in Betterment, the user-friendly investment app that makes growing your money simple and effective. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or an emergency fund, Betterment helps you turn those dreams into actionable plans. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Betterment app or head to their website and create an account. It's quick and straightforward, just enter your basic info and link your bank account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Goals section, which is usually front and center on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's get into the steps. Start by clicking Add a Goal. Betterment offers a variety of goal types, like retirement, home purchase, or general savings. Pick the one that fits your needs. Next, enter the details. How much you want to save, your target date, and any monthly contributions you can commit to. Betterment uses smart algorithms to suggest personalized investment strategies based on your risk tolerance. Just answer a few quick questions about your comfort level with market fluctuations. Don't forget to customize. You can adjust your portfolio mix, set up automatic deposits to stay consistent, and even track your progress with easy-to-read charts. A pro tip. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to increase your chances of success. Once your goal is set, Betterment handles the rest, rebalancing your investments as needed. Remember to review and tweak your goals periodically, especially if your life circumstances change. In just a few minutes, you'll have a clear path to financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Betterment, set your first goal today, and start building the future you deserve. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.